Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to you all. My name is Shashwat Gupta. I'm former deputy editor of Herald Goa and also former resident editor of Gomantak Times. I begin by congratulating Kaushal Patki and his Unique Achievers team for touching 5,000 subscribers, and you are doing a fabulous job. Keep up the good work. I remember you interviewing me for your YouTube channel for this program, Unique Achievers. Thank you for selecting me as part of your podcast, and it was extremely wonderful experience sharing my thoughts with you. And some of the questions that you asked me and some of the areas you touched upon, which included my journey as a journalist, my memorable experiences like the covering the Naxalite movement in Maharashtra or the 26/11 terror attack in Mumbai, or for example, my experiences in Goa on issues like casino gambling and the big projects and people's protest on big projects. So all these issues that you took up with me was extremely interesting, and I enjoyed every bit of my time speaking with you. So please carry on the good work and my best wishes to you and your team. I hope you come up with many more interesting personalities and more interesting programs. All the best to you. Take care.